Tsaka si Jaime tahimik lang sa umpisa.
Aba, teka.
Ididikit ba niya itong 6 sa 1 ball? Ayun
That
na
would
nga
be an
nangyari.
intentional foul para magkaroon ng hidden Mickey doon.
4 ball. Yun,
Exactly
very
what
nice.
he did, AJ.
Very nice. Loading with lots of right hand spin.
Good hit there.
Hoping to get behind the 9. Is he gonna get there? Oh, that was pretty close. Okay, back and forth safety exchanges we're having here. Behind the 2. Very nice. Okay. 9 ball, gumalaw dun ha.
Oo.
Yung cue ball sa 9.
Sa 9 ball, yes.
Kaya kitang-kita tong kombinasyon 1-6 combo.
At dalawa pa yung pumasok dun.
Passing that 4. Okay. He just wants to hide, ideally behind the 4 ball. So cue ball behind that 4 ball. Let's see if he wants to put that cue ball behind that ball. Pero hindi umabot. No choice kundi palayuin na lang dito yung pato. 2-9. Wow!